This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. So where we are, we have seen different type of joins in the previous session. Okay, so let's move forward. Let us learn some advanced concept. Okay, so before we learn on advanced concept, for initial 10 minutes, I will talk about one of the data type. Okay, we already seen the first data type. Okay, so that was integer. Okay, so I gave an example of phone number like tiny int, small int, medium int and big int. You need not remember the numbers, but just remember as a example, like for big int what you can store, for integer what you can store, right? So just keep in mind about this. Also we have seen the difference between character and varchar. Okay, so character and varchar is something which again yesterday we have seen. Now we will go and see one more data type, and that I'll call it as time and date and time data type. Okay, very important. In case of some of the time related functions, maybe if you're ordering something, you should have a order date. If you're purchasing something, you should have something called sales date. A simple example, your date of birth. Date of birth will also be in a date format. So if you want all this, you can give varchar, because varchar is something you can give within the strings that will take as a string. But sometimes if you want to apply some function, on a date data type, you have to go for this type. Okay, this type is called date and time related information. Okay, now the first data type which we are going to see is, the first data type here we are going to see was, okay, it's going to be the date. Okay, so what exactly date is? If you give any sales date as a date, okay, while creating the table, this date is a data type, and the default format will be YYYYMMDD. Okay, the moment you click this or maybe write this, the default data type will be this. So suppose you're ordering something, the date will be like this. The default data type, for date will be YYYYMMDD. If you give date, you will be storing in this format. You will be storing in this format. Okay, now this is fine. This is fine. Where you will use this? Maybe if someone is asking a employee's date of birth. Okay, but when you ask employee date of birth, do you store what time he was born? Is it required? For example, if someone asks date of birth, you will tell 2010 04 01 April 1st 2010. Are you going to tell them that I was born at 4:15 and I was born at 56 seconds? Are you going to tell this?
No.
This is something which I will not do. In general, I will tell my date of birth is this and this. I'm not going to tell time. Okay, let us say you join company. Okay, let us say you finish this course, you join a company. So if I ask you, after one fine day you reach out to me, I'll ask you, hey, when did you join? Are you going to tell me April 20th, 2021 is something you're going to tell, or you're going to tell April 20th 2001 I joined morning 8 o'clock? You're going to tell only the date, only the date. But in sometimes what happens, when you're booking a ticket, when you're booking a ticket, okay, your ticket will be blocked for certain time. Suppose tatkal ticket, morning 11 o'clock, you want to book a ticket. If you're booking a ticket, the exact time stamp, what time you're booking a ticket also, you will get it, right? So along with the date and time, at what time you book the ticket also you will be getting, and that data type you will be giving something called date and time. That will be giving something called date and time. This was the first one. This was the second one. Now what happens? Now what happens? It will be like this. 2019, 2019. Just a minute. Something happened. Okay. What I will do in case if what time I have made a transaction or something I have mentioned, like what exactly is ordered it. If you go for Amazon, right? Nowadays, what Amazon is doing, they'll deliver on the same day. If you're a prime customer and if you're paying some extra amount, they will pay you same day. For that, the condition it should be you have to order before 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the early morning. If you do that, you will get the order, right? So what happens? They will store like this. After that, this I've done. Again, it is going to store which hour maybe I've stored. It's going to be 14:5:56. So this is going to be y. This is going to be mm. Sorry. This is going to be mm. This is going to be dd. This is going to be r. It's in a railway timings. So this is going to be minutes. This is going to be seconds. So sometimes when the actual timestamp is also required, actual timestamp is also required, you will be going with something called date and time, date and time, date time, data type. You have date only which stores date. Okay, along with that, you will be having something called date time. It will go and store with a timestamp as well. Some organization, maybe for some business use case, like exact order date they want, exact sales they want, at which time they exactly book the ticket, all this information will be gathered. But date of birth and all this is not required. So based on your use case, they will define it. You are not a person who's going to define this. There will be an SQL developer in every team who will design the structure of a table, but you know it what is this date data type, what is this date time data type. Okay, and there is one more called timestamp. Okay, so what exactly is timestamp is, this timestamp is actually like with respect to some standard they will have. Okay, so due to some standard they will be having. So in one standard, okay, so you will be having a standard timestamp that the date are converted to current timestamp to the UTS. The UTS is basically what exactly is, like as per the standard. Okay, so UTS will be like with respect to different time zones. Okay, you have IST, you have GMT, you have CMT. So with respect to EST, Eastern time, Indian time, so all these are something for different time zones. If you want to convert it, you will be using something called timestamp. You will be using something called timestamp. Again, this and this both are same, only the format changes. Here it is YYY hyphen MMDD is going to be without an hyphen. That is all is the difference. For example, 2000. Okay, so it is going to be 0425 and along with the timestamp. Okay, So it depends on what timestamp you are like which time zone you are storing. That is what will be the timestamp. Okay. So usually I've not seen people using this. I've seen only people using this date and date time, because this date time itself will store the exact time format with respect to the business. Okay. So this is something, but date, date time and timestamp. The usually most used one will be this date and date time. Okay, you will not get any questions as of such, but they will be storing some values with respect to date and date time. Date is going to store only the date. Date time is going to store only with, along with the date, you will be having the timestamp as well. Okay, so this is date, date time and timestamp. Other than that, if you want only time, if you want only time, for example, from morning to night, from 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock, whatever is happening, you maintain it and you want to store only the time: 12:45, 1:45, 1:50, 4:50, 4:55, 9:30, 9:35, 10 o'clock. This is all time. This is all time. Forget about date. It was today's date, it's fine. But if I want to store only time, if I want to store only time, I will use this. I will use this time as a data type. I will use this time as a data type. So what exactly is going to happen? The time is, it will start 0 0. Okay, and it is going to start 0 0. It is going to start 0 0 until it is going to have 23 59 59. This is the start of the day, this is the end of the day. After 23, it will not become 24, it will not become 24 again, it will be reset to new day. So, so this is what it is, right? This is what the time. From morning 12 o'clock, night 12 o'clock, if I want to store any transaction is happening at specific time, I can go with time data type. Okay, but system is telling you need not go for one day. This is one day, 0 0 to 24 23 is one day, but system is telling I will give a buffer of 823 hours, 838, sorry, 838 hours. 838 hours basically stands for 838 divided by 24, 34 hours. So sorry, 34 days. So you can store up to time with 34 days. Okay, if you're not understanding, 0 0 0 0 0 0 to 48 hours means 2 days. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0 so to 72 05 0 0. So it is 3 days. Like this, you can store up to 34 days with respect to time. But usually here also I have not seen like this. People use only this one day transaction, maximum 23 hours. Next day, if they go, they will again store it with a date, April 17th, tomorrow's date. Along with that, what was the time? Okay, so these things I have seen, but this time data type gives you an flexibility of giving 34 days. That means 34 days you can keep on adding right from today, tomorrow hours, day after tomorrow hours. You keep on adding the hours for 38 days, you can get this number. Okay, so this is nothing but time data type. Time data type is going to give only the time, only the time. Time data type is going, this is going to give only the, this is going to give only the date, this is going to give along with the date and time. This is again the date and time with respect to different standard timings. This is going to give only the time. Okay, as and then the last data type, if you see, it is going to see, you're going to see was year. So as the name implies, only year, only year. Okay, how do you store this? Year can be like this, 4 digit. Suppose 1992, 1993, 1994, 2021, 2022, 2023. Okay, the minimum year supported will be 9101 and 2115. This is the maximum year that will support. After that they will change. When it comes to 2155, this database people will change, they will update to 3000. Something I'll do. As of today, this is a maximum date you can store it. Okay, this is if you are giving year of 4 digits you will give. Suppose if I give year of 2, only the last 2 numbers will be stored, and that too it depends, like it is taking only from 70 to 69. Suppose you mention 96, it's going to be 19096. Suppose you mention 54, it's going to be 2054, because the range is accepted only in this 1970 to 2069. The last 2 digits tells which year it is coming from. Okay, suppose I give 2004. Okay, 04. If I just store 04, it will assume that it is 2004. If I understand 99, it's going to be 199. Sorry, 1099. That is 1999. So this is how the year data frame is also designed. Either you can give a 4 digit or you can give it 2 digit. Okay, so this is again just a bit of theory. Okay, you need not worry about it, because in the real time they will store it for you. You will be using it. Okay, date, date time, timestamp, time and year. Any questions? Any questions?
No,
Santosh.
Santosh, sir.
No,
Okay,
Santosh, we are
right. Okay, so yeah, so we have done with the part of theory. Now we'll move to the practical. Okay, so as and then since I told that data types is like a bit of theory, so every day I've covered one part. So initially we completed integer, then we completed varchar and character, and today we have completed time related data types. Okay, now we'll go to advanced queries. Okay, so what I will do is I will start writing some extra code. We will see how to work in the real time. Okay, very important. Next 1 hour, whatever I'm going to speak, please listen carefully. If you listen carefully, you need not even prepare for interview. Whatever has been asked, maybe whatever is been taught in the next 1 hour, you can write, we can tell it in an interview without even a preparation. So concentration is very important. So try to concentrate more so that you will get better understanding. Okay, now I'll just show you this table. This table is already created. So going forward, I'm not going to show you the scripts. You can create by yourself. Create table, product ID, product name, MRP, quantity. So something you start creating it. Okay, you know create statement, right? All these days I was giving you the scripts, you were running, you were copy pasting it. But going forward, whatever examples again, you are going to create by yourself. You know create statement, you know insert statement. Why can't you do it? Okay, so see the data, make note of it, and you have to do it by your own. Okay, now in this table I have product ID, product name, MRP and quantity. Okay, can anyone tell me how much total sales is made by this Vivo phone?
Three quantity.
3 quantities.
Total sales made. Sales means amount.
In
How much?
27,000.
27,000.
Quantity
Okay,
into the
yes. So you are telling the total sales made will be 9,000 into 3, that is 27,000 the Vivo phone has made a sale. If you go for iPhone, 27,000 into 5 phones has been purchased, so it's going to be around 1,50,000. If you go for Samsung, 16,000 one phone, they have purchased 4 phones, so 16, 16, 16, 16, 64,000 is a sales made by Samsung. And if you go for MI phone, 7,500 into 6, somewhere around 30, 60, 90, 90,000 will be the total sales made by MI phone. Okay, but you don't have a sales column straightforward. There is no sales column in the table. Okay, what you will do? Someone is asking, hey, what is the total sales? What you will do? Right now, I've stuck with a problem. Now, how to fix this? What I will do? I will just write it like this. Select. Please go on mute. Okay. So I have product ID. I have product name. I have MRP. I have quantity from sales calculation. Some table I am giving. Okay. Now I can either write star or I can write like this. Okay. After quantity, okay, what I am going to write is, if I run this, I will be getting all the columns, but after quantity, observe, after quantity, I am going to write one comma and I am going to write something called MRP multiplication with quantity. This was my actual column. Instead of writing this, I gave all the column names. And one thing, after quantity, which is my last, I've written a simple mathematical operation, MRP into quantity. So basically 9,000 into 3, 27,000 into 5, 16,000 into 4, 7,500 into 6, something which I will get it. Okay. Now if I run this, don't you think now I've got the sale?
Yes.
Okay.
We
But
got it. We got it,
yes,
Sandesh.
but what is happening is this is not present in the table. The table data is only this much: product ID, product name, MRP and quantity. This is an extra column you are adding as per your business, that is MRP into quantity. You just multiplied two of the columns. If you select this, you will get it. Okay, we will get it, but the name is something bad. I've just multiplied it, but the name itself is coming something bad. Okay, what I can do?
As
Yes,
condition.
Alias.
alias name. I will keep something called sales. After this multiplication, I will give something called sales. Now, if I run, I'll get the sales. The entire multiplication is going to happen row by row. This will be multiplied, this will be multiplied, this will be multiplied, this will be multiplied, and I'm going to give the alias name like sales. What I've added is, using the existing column, I have created a new column which it is not there in the database. It is not there in the table, but in my calculation I have added. This is what my result is. My result was having only 4 columns, but I have added one multiplication factor. Now I can clearly tell I have 5 columns with respect to this query, not the table. In table only 4, I've added a factor, multiplication factor. Okay, so you not go with always multiplication factor. You can go with plus or all, plus minus everything, but it doesn't make sense. But 9,003, 9,003, 27,005, 27,005, 16,000 plus 4, 16,004. So I'm just giving an example, but my business use case tells it is a multiplication factor. So you can go for multiplication, you can go for division, you can go for percentage, you can go with anything. You can go with anything. Okay, so this is how something I will be this is how something I will be using with respect to my advanced feature, or maybe the extra feature I'm adding with respect to the existing column. This is not present in the table. This is not present in the table. Okay, but also understand line number 3, if I run, this is a result of a table. Okay, what I will do is in this I want a selected column. In this I wanted a selected column. Okay, so what I will do, let us say I don't want MRP and quantity to be displayed here. I don't want MRP and quantity to be displayed here. What I can do, I can just go and remove this. I can just go and remove this. Okay, I will be seeing like this. Only product ID, product name, sales. This sales is coming from multiplication factor of this. Okay, and now you may ask me whether it will work only if you're giving me the name. Not at all. Not at all. After this comma, after the star, you write one comma. Here also you write MRP into quantity. You write MRP into quantity. Okay, so even after writing the star, if you just write this, still you will get it. Still you will get it. Okay, it's not about always I have to give the product name. I just showed an example. You can give an even after star. Okay, this is a column that has been present. This is a column that is adding by yourself with respect to calculation. Okay, so what happens now? This product ID, product name, MRP, I want to store it in a new table. I want to store it in a new table. How can write is? How can write is? For example, create table test DB test DB. Okay, as after this, as open the bracket and you write after this, close the bracket. This query I am storing it one table. Usually what you will do, you will go and create a table like this. You will write a create table table name. Then what you will do, within this bracket, that this bracket and this bracket, you will write, start writing ID, and you will write int, and you will write name varchar. This is how you will define a table. But what I'm doing, in this gap I will write a query. In this gap I will write a query. Let us see what happens. Test DB already exists. Okay, drop table test DB. So first I will drop this. Now I will go and run this. The table has been created. Now I will go and select star from test DB. In this table now, if I run this, this has saved as an actual column. The sales has saved as an actual column because I created a table with respect to using the query. Now I can see that in this test table, the value sales is been stored like a sales column only. So you can create a table on the fly. Not always you can go and create like create table int in data type, like nothing to give. Just create on the fly. If you create on the
Can you
fly,
describe
the,
this table?
I'm sorry.
Can you describe this table? So sales will take as a big int, huh?
It is taking by default values. Okay. So also if you see here, product ID is int, product name is varchar. This is coming from this table, because
Yes.
if I go and see here, if I go and see here, okay, if I go and run this, the product ID is int coming here, product name is coming from here, but this MRP and quantity, it is taking int and int. Suppose if you multiply int and int, it also knows that the data size is going to increase. For example, 5 into 9, 45. So it knows that if you multiply two ints, the number will be more than the int. So to be on the safer side, it will only give as a big int. It is assuming that if you multiply two integers, the value will become more. So it has stored by himself that as a big int. You need not worry about it.
Okay, Santosh. Yeah.
Yeah. So now this entire table I've created on the fly. It's created on the fly. Okay. Now let us give you one more example. Let us give you one more example. This is a employee salary table. Each and every employee, what is his name, what is his salary. Okay, now what should I do? Based on the salary they earn, I want to classify them. Whether is a manager, whether is a team leader, or is a clerk. Very simple example. Using the salary, I have to add one more column which will give me his role. Obviously, managers will be earning more, team leader will be earning less, and normal clerk will be earning even more less. I want to define a role based on the salary. How to do it? Okay, I've run the line number. I've run the line number 19. Okay, I've run the line number 19. In the line number 19, in this table I can see only three columns: employee ID, employee name, employee salary. Now I have to add something. What I will do is I will go and copy this. After this comma I will start writing one condition, or maybe I can say write some logic. Okay, so I will write case. I will write one case statement. Okay, what is a case is like if condition. Okay, so what I will do, case when salary is greater than 15,000, then you give them name as manager. When salary is greater than 15,000, you give them the name as manager. Okay, next when salary is greater than 10,000, give them the name as team leader. Okay, when salary is greater than 5,000, give them as clerk. Okay, now this is, it will check if it is greater than 15,000, it will give one more name like manager. If it will take, if it is greater than 10,000, it will check what name I have to give, team leader. Okay, so you have started a case statement, so obviously you have to end the case statement. It will be end. Okay, so if I run this now, I've got this. Okay, but something what is happening is the entire logic is been coming with a column name. Try to understand the case statement which I've written, entire name is coming as a column name. For example, Anish, manager; Umesh, manager; Ishant, team leader. Okay, so Varun, clerk. So everything is coming, but this is something which is irritating. What I will do, I'll give something like role. role of a employee. Some name I will give. Okay, after the end statement, I will give some alias name. So now if I run, don't you think this I have added extra now? After star, this is not present. This is not present in my table. This is something which I have written the logic. I can write a logic on the fly on the query. Okay, don't you think I've got the answer? 15,000, 17,000 is a manager. Those who are less than 15,000 is going to be team leader. Those who are less than, sorry, those who are 15,000 less, they are team leader. Those who are less than 10,000 are something but less than 10,000, it's going to be clerk. Don't you think I've added this? By using case statement. Sometimes in the real time, they will not store this. They will ask you to write a logic. You write it on the fly, on the query. This is not stored in the actual table. This is not stored in the actual table. Actual table is having only this. Okay, now you may ask me a question. Why are you teaching this now? Okay, we have sometimes you have to write a logic, that is accepted. Okay, but this is required to learn new concept. Okay, so that is what something which will be concentrating, because this is something which will be asked in interview. Very important. Okay, whichever interview or whichever website you go and search SQL interview question, this is the first question you will see. Can you tell me third maximum highest salaried person? Can you tell me who is the third rank student in a class? Fourth maximum highest salary. Something this type of query questions is something they will ask you in the interview question. So we will go and see how to write this. Okay, for sure they are going to ask this. Okay, definitely they'll ask. Maybe nowadays a trend is changed. Instead of asking third maximum salaried person, they're asking in a class there is a rank of students like from 1 to 30. Can you tell me who was the fifth rank student? So this type of questions nowadays the trend is changing. So we will see an example. We will see an example how to answer this. How to answer this. Okay. So what I will do? What I will do? Okay. I'll create one simple table. I'll create one simple table. Student marks TB. Student marks TB. And what does the marks TB has? The marks TB is having the marks. Okay. ID, name, and marks. So if I create this, I insert some records and I will run the select statement. Each and every student's marks I am getting. ID is their roll number. Name is something with respect to own name. Okay. And marks is something but they have scored marks. Okay. Now tell me one thing. If I want to get the first rank student, what will I do? I'm not asking in between. It's a straight query. You already know it. How to get
Max.
Dia's answer?
Count of max.
Maximum of marks.
Okay. So you are telling me max of marks from student marks table. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes.
Sandesh.
I know 99 is the highest mark, but who scored it? Where is that information in this query?
Select name, max.
Yeah, student name, max.
Like the where condition.
What? What should I give?
Select name,
Write the
comma.
where condition.
Why where condition is required? Okay, I will write where condition. What I have to write in the where condition? My
Where
yeah,
marks
tell me
marks
where.
equals to max.
Where marks equals to
Maximum number.
maximum marks. Huh?
Double point.
This is what you're telling.
No, sir.
Then
Sorry.
see, I need Diya as an answer. Very simple. 99 you're telling, but I need Diya. Who can help me to write a query? Very simple
Yeah,
query.
Yeah, say that
yeah.
name, select
Please
name
update.
equal to whatever you written, that is correct only.
Okay. Whatever I've written,
No, no,
it's correct.
not
But
this one.
No, no,
Not
not now.
okay.
Before.
Select
select name,
comma, marks,
comma,
marks, just
just
marks.
marks. Okay.
Yeah. Now
Where
where marks is equal to
marks equal to
um, max of marks.
max of marks. How many of you tell it's work? It will work. How many tell it will not work?
It will not work. It will not
Let
work
us
because the max of marks does it has to come within the query. It cannot come as a
invalid use of group by function. This is
yeah,
an
yeah,
aggregate function. This is an aggregate function.
yeah. We cannot use it as a part of their condition. Yeah.
Yes. You cannot use an aggregate function and you cannot compare it in this. Okay. So directly you can put like this 99. You will get to know who scored 99. Okay. So now you will get Dia as a 99. Okay. But how to approach this problem, I will tell you. How to approach this problem, I will tell you. Okay. See, here 99 if I give, I am getting the name. Forget about marks here. I don't want to display marks. I just want to display who's my first rank student. I will write it like this. Okay. Now, if I give the name, Dia is a person who got 99. I've got it. But how did I get this 99? You yourself told me this is a query. Select max of marks from student table. This is what you told. This is what you told. I'm getting the answer as 99. Don't you think I can just copy this code and put it here? This, how did I
Yeah.
get
As a
99?
query,
We can
as a
use.
subquery. Yeah.
Yes, I can do a subquery. So what I will do after this, in like, see, for example, I got to know that 99 is the highest mark, so I've given a where condition. So I'll clearly
Yeah.
know it's Dia. But this is something I'll know it only if I run it this query. Sometimes what happens, 97 could be maximum. So first you have to run this, then you have to go store it. It's something, it's not the best way. What I will do, I will remove this. I'll put one bracket. I'll put one bracket. I will go and copy this code in between this. Okay, now you tell me if I run this, will I get or not?
Yeah, you will get it.
Yes, Santosh, you will be.
Dia. Dia is a person who have got the maximum marks. Now I will give you one more task for you. Tell me who has scored minimum marks.
We need to replace max with minimum.
Instead of max with min.
Yeah. So Tarun is a
Yes.
person who has scored the minimum marks. Tarun is a person who has scored minimum marks. I will just go and replace maximum with minimum. I have to get a Tarun. I got the Tarun. Okay, but now the problem is I have taken care of first and last rank. I've taken care of first and last. This was a first person, this was a last person. But what if they ask me a requirement of who is a third highest marks, fourth highest marks, fifth highest marks, some number they ask? What I can do is this query becomes complex. I have to keep on adding something. It's not a straightforward. Maximum is 99, minimum is 35. I got that, but how can I improve more? Okay, SQL is telling I have a very good function for you. You can use that function and you can get the answer for this. This is a subquery. Query inside a query is called subquery. Try to understand. Query inside a query is called subquery. Instead of hard coding it, I have given like this, it will work. Okay, now let us see how we can solve this problem. SQL is telling I have a very good function which you can use it to understand, which you can use it for your taking the rank of the student. Okay, what I will do is first of all, for this query I will add one column telling that what is the rank of each and every student. Additional column, maybe it is not present in the student table, that is fine, but here I am going to add the rank of the student. What I will do, okay, after this comma, maybe I'll give ID, name, marks. Okay, so now I will write this. I've got this. After marks, try to understand what I'm doing. After marks, I'm going to write one function. That function is name is rank function. That function name is rank function. Okay, rank is a function that is present in SQL. We will see what is the benefits. Okay, so after rank, it is like a thumb rule. You have to something like over. You have to write something called over. Whenever you write a rank function, 100% you have to write one more keyword called over. After that over, I will put one bracket and I'll close the bracket. In between this, I will write one logic. In between, I'll write this one logic. How do you want to rank it? You have to rank it by marks. Order by marks. That is all it is. After the marks column, I've added one comma. I'm going to add one function. In that function, the rank function, the moment I write rank, the over should be mandatory. And in that, on what basis you're ranking, definitely it is going to be marks. So I will put it in a bracket, order by marks. Whatever order it is there with respect to marks, give a rank number. Give a rank. Now if I run this, tell me, is this correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Why?
Wrong. Actually,
Descending
lowest marks is
Descending.
showing first rank.
Lowest marks is
Yeah.
showing the tell me.
Yeah, correct. Whatever she said is
Gives
correct.
the ascending order.
Yes, whoever has scored 99 has been given 8th rank. Whoever has scored 97 has been given 7th rank. Whoever scored the least marks has been scored the first rank. By default, order by is taking by ascending order. Ascending order is what? Small to largest. How can I correct this?
descending.
After marks,
Yes.
descend.
That is all it is. Order by marks, descending order. If I go and run this, I will be getting Dia as a first rank, Karthik as a second rank, Kiran as a third rank, Arjun as a fourth rank, Tarun is a last rank. Okay, now this name is not good. I'll give Alaya's name, RNK. RNK rank. Don't you think now I can achieve whatever the value is coming, the rank? If client is asking me third rank, fourth rank, fifth rank, don't you think I can achieve easily? Easily I can achieve. Now you tell me, I want to get fifth rank student. How to get it from this table?
Where rank equal to 5.
Where
We
rank
need
is
to
equals to 5.
You're
Select
telling
star
me
from
where rank equal to
rank
5.
is equal.
Will this work or not?
Yes, Santosh, it will work.
It will work. Okay.
Maybe
Everyone agrees?
alias name we should not give. I think this main name should be.
Okay. I will give like this then. The entire column, I don't give alias name. If I run this was the name I was getting, rank over order. This is a complete column name. So I'll give complete column name and I'll give 5. Will I get or I will not get?
Yeah, you will
Yes.
get it.
Get it? Sure. I will run it. I have not got result. 100% I've got an error. You cannot use a window function rank in the context. Some error it is coming. Okay. So let us try with alias name only. So if I give like this, rank is something which I'm getting here. So now I will give where rank equal to 3. Maybe rank equal to 5. Even now there is an error. Unknown command rnk in the where clause. It's not working. Why?
Array column
Yeah.
which we are not able to add.
Existing column.
I have told you on the
Temporary column, right? It is.
yeah. Yes, I have told in the beginning of the where condition.
Only
Where
existing column after.
yes, where condition will work only on the existing column. For example, this is an existing column. Only in this existing column I can filter. For example, if I want to filter where name equal to Santosh, I will get it. This where condition will work. Why? It is an actual column present in the table. Okay, suppose where marks equal to 99. Again this will work. Because marks is present in the original column. But you tell me this rank, right? I have added now rank of over order by marks, something I given. It is not able to find this rank in that query. So it is not coming. Understand?
Having
If I want to use having, what should be the condition? Group by should be there. Without a group by, how can write an having condition? Here group by also is not there. How can I write it?
Arun, can I use a subquery for this one?
Yes, subquery is a option. Okay, so subquery will the option. So how can we write the subquery is? First I will do one thing. This is actual code. I will remove this. This actual code is there. This actual code I'll copy it again. What I will do now? I am going to write one subquery. That subquery will be okay. Select star from, open the bracket, close the bracket. Okay, within the bracket whatever I've written, it is like a table. How do you write a select statement? Select star from table. This is the syntax. I can even write like this. Select star from, open the bracket, table. I can even write like this. What I've done, This table is something I put it in a bracket. In this bracket, I will write one more select query. So for this is a subquery, or I will call it as a result. This results, the outer query will have complete set of columns for this outer query. Try to understand. Instead of writing a table, I will give a select query. Select query is also a table, right? If I go and write this select star, it is a table. This is a table. This table out on top of it, if I write like this, on top of it, if I write like this, select star from, open the bracket, close the bracket. If I run this, maybe it's having this is a table, right? So it is telling give an alias name. The error it is telling every derived table must have its own alias name. So this is a table, or maybe this is a record. It is telling me give me alias name. Now if I run it, I'm getting it. This is the original table. This original table I'm calling from the outer table. Still it's working. Can I apply the same concept here? I'll go here. Okay, instead of table, I will write some sub table. Now the same thing I'm going to do. Okay, this was my query. This was my query. On top of this, I'll write one select star from, open the bracket, write the select statement and close the bracket, and it is telling me give me some alias name. Give me some alias name. Now if I run this, I will get it. For this table, this rank is already a column because it is already been written in the logic. For this table, the outside table, this rank is already a column. Now you go and write where condition, where rnk equal to 5 or 3, whatever you want, you can write. Now you will get the answer, because for this outer table, it is highlighting, right, yellow. So for this table, rank is already is presented as a column. Now if I go and run here, I will get whoever has scored the 5th highest, I will get it. Whoever has scored 3rd highest, I will get it. Whoever has scored the 2nd highest, I will get it. Okay, did you understand this code?
Yes,
What we have written? Yeah, very important. This question will be asked. Who is the 3rd highest ranked student in a class? This is a query, you have to write it. Okay, very, very easy. The way, if you understand, you need not by heart. I've seen many people. Okay, I take a lot of interviews. Even I ask the same question: who is the 3rd highest salaried person? Who is the 4th highest salaried person? They by heart and come. They know that it's an SQL interview question. They will by heart and come. You understand, because the client will change the requirement. I will change the requirement now. You see, now I will go and ask you some questions. You have to tell me now. Okay, so you cannot by heart it. If you by heart it, you may go wrong. What if scenario is changed? Right now, this is a requirement. What I will do, I will write this. Can you tell me what has happened to Rajiv and Gopal?
They
They
have
scored
What they have?
set of marks to
The same
same
record.
set of marks
Marks
and
and
same
rank.
set of rank.
Same set of marks and same set of rank. Okay, now I'll ask you one question. In this table, if client is asking you who is the 7th highest ranked student, who is the person?
Okay. Yes, then we make it some error. We will get Gopal because of the order that which here present.
How can you get Gopal? Gopal rank is also 6. Rajiv rank is also 6. You will never see a number 7 here. How can you get a 7 then? I'll show you. I'll go to the query where rank equal to 7. No one is with the rank 7. How you will get it?
Okay.
Do my rank function can solve this problem. I understand Dia is a first rank,
No.
Karthik is a second rank, Kiran is third rank. Everything is fine. These two people have scored same marks. They have given the same rank. How will client know this? Client will not know this. Okay, many people have scored same marks. They will not do it. He'll just ask who is the third, fourth. If you are using a rank function, you cannot tell this because 7 is missing. When two people have scored the same marks, the next number should be 7 at least. It is gone to 8. It has gone to 8. Now I'll answer my question. Will this rank function will be used to get the answer?
No. It skipped the rank.
It is skip the rank. Number 7 is gone. Rank number 7 is gone. If client is asking me, give me the 7th highest rank, you cannot tell that 7th highest rank is not there because he will go and check 8th is there. If 8th is there, he will ask who is 7th because 8 is there. See, if you tell that 7th rank is not there, maybe they will assume that only limited number of students are there. But that is not the case. If 8th rank student is there, where is the 7th rank student? Your query is going away. It's wrong. Okay, so what I will do now, just for your understanding, I will write the query one more time so that you keep seeing it, you keep remembering it. I will write rank function one more time. Select star from marks table. Okay, now I will write this. This is my actual table. After this comma, I will write one function, rank function. First and foremost thing, remember like a thumb rule. If you have a rank function, go with something like over. After over, you write one bracket, you close one bracket. Inside this over, you have to give some rank based on the logic. I will give the rank based on the marks. So it's going to be order by marks descending. Okay, so after that, if I write this, I will get the rank. But since the name is not good, I will give some alias name. This is all is a logic. But you cannot use where condition in the straight away direct table because this is an additional column. So what you have to write, select star from, open the bracket, and you close it here. Give some alias name and you write where a dot r and k equal to 3, third rank student. I've got it. This is a query. If they ask you third rank student, this is a query, and for sure they're going to ask you the same question. Can you tell me who is the third highest rank? But the problem is rank function may fail if two people have scored the same mark, 90 and 90. If they have scored 90 and 90, this rank will go. That means you cannot find a third rank student. It will go to fourth rank. There is a problem. One thing I will show you is, I will explain with a simple example. I will run this. I will copy this and I'll put it in an Excel. Just for the like clarity purpose, I'm putting here.
Can you go to that query once again, please?
Yeah.
So this is in this query. This is the additional column you added. See,
Additional column R and K.
select star from, that is one. So here select. Okay, you added one more query. You added one more table, right? Within that, so you selected this one as a table.
Yes, this is what I've showed you, right? Here I've showed you like how to get a table, right? See,
Yeah.
this is what it is. Same thing I've
Okay.
written in a different line. That's all.
Okay.
Same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll go and give ID. I'll give a name. I'll give marks. I'll give rank. Okay. So this is a rank you're getting as per the requirement. Okay. So this is, I will call it as using a rank function. rank function. Okay, so using this rank function, I got what has happened. Where is the 7th rank student? It's not there. It's not there. Okay, how can you handle this? How can you handle this? There is one more function. There is one more function. Okay, there is one more function in SQL. I will just copy paste it again. Instead of rank, very important, remember, instead of rank, I will use something called dense rank. Nothing change. Here I use rank, here I'm using dense rank. When rank is also a function, there is one more function called dense rank. Let us see what happens now. Let us see what happens now. What has happened?
Doesn't skip the rank in dense rank.
I'm sorry.
Doesn't skip the rank. Here giving the exact value.
The
In
rank
rank,
is
Exact
not
value.
skipped.
Okay. Any
No,
other
no.
answer?
The
I'm
order
sorry, your
is
voice
not
is breaking.
changed. Skipping of the rank is not possible.
Skipping
Skipping
of
of
the
the
rank.
rank is not has been done.
Okay, see, let me do one thing. I will copy this and I will put it in Excel so that you will can read it properly. So what I will do, I'll go here.
Even the order is changed.
Order is changed. What order is changed? Same ranking, right?
Yeah, it is same.
Can you compare these two tables and tell me what is the difference?
rank
The
will be
six
skip the rank
rank.
order wise. Here 6 and again giving the skip the rank in 7th
Labs
value.
get
This
changed.
rank will be exact value.
Okay. Can anyone put it in a better way?
The consecutive rank is followed by consecutive ranks are followed
Consecutive ranks are followed where?
after
In the dense
6.
dense rank,
In the
see
dense rank.
the rank was continuity.
Okay. In the dense
In
rank,
the
it is
rank function, there is no continuity.
okay. One thing I will tell is, here, here, the rank is skipped. Rank is skipped. Okay, here rank is maintained, or maybe I can tell rank is not skipped and continuity is maintained. Continuity is maintained. Okay, so what, maybe I can put it as a consecutive number as well, consecutive rank. Consecutive rank. Okay, so consecutive rank is also maintained, or I can tell that the rank is not skipped. That is what the difference between rank and dense rank. In rank, if two people are scoring the same marks, the next person's rank is going to be 8. If two people are scoring same marks, the next is going to be 8. But if you see, rest everything is same. Rest everything is same. Okay, rest everything is same. This is all same, this is all same. But when two people have scored same marks, here the rank will be skipped. Here, if you score 2 marks, next consecutive number will come, but you will not get something with respect to 8. 8 will not come here. Okay, first interview question they are going to ask is, write third maximum salary. This is an interview question they will ask. In case nowadays they have started changing the trend, third rank student. I will explain this also. Same thing, I'll explain this also. Okay, what you have to write is, you tell me whether you will use rank function or you will use dense rank functions to achieve this. To achieve the result, you will use rank or dense rank.
Dense rank.
Dense rank.
Dense rank. You will use dense rank. The moment you write dense
Dense
rank,
rank.
you give 7th rank, or you give 8th rank, or you give 5th rank, whatever rank you give, you are going to get the answer. You are going to get the answer. Okay. Now, after you ask the question, you will write a solution like this. Maybe they're asking third, right? So let us give third. This is the answer you're going to write on the first way. First question, they will ask you this, you will write this. The next question they're going to ask is, hey, you have used something called dense rank. Now tell me, what is the between rank and dense rank? Second question, second interview question. If you have written this code correctly, they're going to ask you what is rank and dense rank. Okay, what you will tell?
Rank is missing the name.
Rank will be skipping the name without the continuity. But whereas dense rank will provide the continuity and it doesn't skip the rank, skip the values.
Okay, correct. In rank function, the rank is going to be skipped. Give an example. If two people scored same marks, the next rank will be skipped. It is going to give the next number. Something you tell.
Will you please explain the above query once?
Which one?
The rank over order. Go back to the notepad.
Notepad. Okay.
Yeah, please explain that query once, sir. I did not understand exactly.
Okay, see, nothing I've done. This is my actual code. Okay, where the student's marks is there, right? Where is this? This was my actual code. Okay, so what I've done, I've run this code and I wanted to have an extra column. This is what I've written. After marks, I'm writing one rank function. If I write a rank function, I have to write the over. This is 100% mandatory step. If I want to write, I want to rank a over. In the over, you write order by marks, descending order. Give it as an RNK alias name and you write this, you will get the code. But the thing is, since this is an additional column which I've added on the fly, I cannot use it in the where condition. If I used where rank equal to 3 or 4, you will not get it because this is what's created on the fly. But how can I use it? On top of this, I can use a subquery. So what I've written, select star from, inside that I've written the query, outside that I've accessed where a dot rank equal to 5. Now I will get the 5th rank student. That is what I've written here. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
This is the answer for the question. Don't biart it. I have seen people biarting it. No biarting. Understand. Just try to understand. If I add a dense rank, I have to add a over by. In over by, what should be the? See, some people forget to write ascending or descending. If they forget, by default, last person is going to get the first rank. Okay, there is possibility is there. Okay, now is it clear? Two interview questions. Can we move forward?
Yes, Santosh.
Yeah.
Yes, Santosh, we can move forward.
Yeah. Now what is the problem here? Name function, name ID marks is there. Two people have scored same marks. This rank is skipped. This is what you have to tell in the interview. Okay. But one thing is, I'll give an example. ID, name, marks, rank. Can you tell me what will be the rank function's rank here? You understand my question? I asked you what is a rank. One.
For rank, we will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 5.
1,
2,
5.
1,
5.
2, 3,
2,
5.
3.
5.
3 or 5?
5.
5, huh? Sure?
in the rank it will be 5, but in the dense rank it will be 3.
Okay. Here?
1, 2, 2, 2, 3.
Okay, fine. This is rank and dense rank. Okay. So in you have all come across all your school, college, everything, right? Which one is followed in your classroom? Rank or dense rank?
Dense.
Dense rank. Dense rank itself.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure, sir.
In your academics, in your class members, dense or rank?
dense rank.
Okay. Okay, I agree to your point. Rank function failed my scenario. That means I was not getting, where's the third rank? Where's the fourth rank? My client is asking me the third rank. My client is asking the fourth rank. There is no third rank and fourth rank in the rank function because the rank is skipped. So I'll go and use dense rank. Okay. Now I'll come back to one use case. Has everyone seen Olympics? Yeah. In Olympics, let us say there is a 100 meters race. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is a start. This is a end. Okay. End position. So let us say out of 6 people, okay, 3 people will get prize and they will be standing on this winner board. This is called winner board. 1, 2, 3. This is called winner board. You have seen this?
Yes, sir.
They will hold the medal, right? Silver, gold, bronze. Have you seen this?
Yes, Santosh.
Have you ever seen multiple people standing on the same board?
No. No, Santosh.
Here, what is happening? I can understand. One guy is standing on the one. Maybe I missed, like, for I assume that it is all one. So on the third board, one person is standing. On the first board, one person is standing. What about on the second board? Multiple people are standing. Is this possible? Have you ever seen this? Yes or no?
No, Santosh.
No.
Don't you think my dense rank also fails here?
Yeah, even I have got a similar doubt. Even some exams like IITs and all, there will not be any similar rank, right? I mean, uh, same rank will not be given to two persons.
Okay, fine, understand. Okay, same rank will not be given. Now you tell me how this will be handled. When the rank will not work, we went for dense rank. Even in dense rank also it's not working. Let us say IIT, IEEE, GATE exams, or even this like Olympic exam. I have never seen in my life multiple people standing on the same board. Maybe if it is possible or not, I'm not sure, but I have never seen this. You gave a very good example. I maybe IIT exams or IEEE exams, something like that. But tell me, will my dense rank work here?
No, Santosh.
No, Santosh.
Now what is the solution? Okay, now as per the data, you cannot have same rank to the different person. Like even though they have scored the same marks, even they see what happens in IEEE or maybe IIT. If three people are having same marks, on what basis they will rank it?
By caste.
No, I
Yes,
wouldn't say
maybe
caste.
alphabetic. Maybe alphabetic.
Yeah, could be alphabetic order, could be the day they have registered with us, like first come first serve. Okay, whoever has registered ID as 1, whoever has registered ID as 5, whoever has registered first will get the same first rank based on the, see, I would say it's unlucky. Even though you have got same marks, your rank is decided on other factors: alphabetic order, registration. Caste, I wouldn't say, caste will not come here, but I would say registered ID or alphabetic order. For example, one person starts with the name Anand, other person starts with Yeshwant, A and Y. A will get the first rank, Y will get the second rank. Why? Even though they have got the same marks, their alphabetic order is something which is differing. Those things around will happen. Maybe we can just tell it as unlucky. We can just tell it as unlucky. That's all. We cannot do anything else, right? So how can we handle this in the code now? How can we handle this in the code now? I will go here. I will go here. This is rank. This is dense rank. I will copy the same code. I'll copy the same code instead of dense rank. Now dense rank is failing. I have one more function. That function is called row number. That function is called row number. Rank failed, I use dense rank. Dense rank also is now failing. Like I want unique rank, one person only one rank. It cannot have same ranks in IIT, IEEE or even in Olympics. It cannot have. I will give something called row number. Now I will run this same code. Here also row number over should come, order by should come, everything. Just I'm changing the functions: rank, dense rank and row number. What is happening? Observe last three. What is happening?
Rank is not getting duplicated.
Rank is not getting duplicated. Rank is not getting duplicated. Now you tell me, on what basis this rank is given?
On basis of ID, sir.
Based on ID.
Alphabetical order, I think.
Alphabetical order. Observe once again.
No, it's ID.
On basis of ID only.
Basis
Because
of their
Raju was
register.
first.
Yes. Gopal should come first as per the alphabetic order. G should come first. Okay, after G only R will come. So this guy should have given 6th rank, but this is not based on the alphabetic order. This is based on the registered ID, roll number. So my dense rank function is also overcome. The problem with respect to rank has overcome here. Okay, now this is row number. Okay, now first question will be like this one: third maximum salary. You write this. They will ask you, hey, you have used dense rank. What is rank and dense rank? And you will tell here rank will be skipped, here dense rank will not be skipped, that it will have a consecutive number. The third question they're going to ask is, okay, I understand it is not going to repeat it, maybe you will get a consecutive, but if two people are having same marks or same salary, you will have repeatable ranks. How do you handle this? What should be the answer?
Row ID. Row number.
Row number.
We will overcome by row number.
Yes, these three questions for sure you will get it. For sure you will get it. Okay, this is rank, this is dense rank, this is row number. Any questions?
No, Santosh.
No, Santosh.
Clear? Everyone is clear?
Yeah, Santosh, one more.
I'm sorry, your voice is breaking. What is it?
Yeah, I'm
Someone is saying
audible.
something.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, in a row number, as a rank is sorted according to the ID number, right? So specifically, we want to sort according to the alphabetical.
You want to sort it by alphabetical order. Huh?
Yeah. So we need to group by ranks.
Okay. Yeah. So can anyone tell me the answer?
Just change the first column ID to name. I think so.
What you're telling first I will add name and then I will include ID. This is what you're telling?
Yeah, try. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's a try.
Who was getting the 5th rank? It was
The same.
Rajiv. No, Rajiv is still
Maybe.
getting the 5th rank. Rajiv is getting still the 5th rank. So this is wrong. It will not make any change. Okay, let's do one thing. Order by marks I've given. Okay, one thing I'll do is first I will order by marks, then I will order by name. Then I will order by name. We'll see. It's not coming. Order by ascending and order by name. Ascending order. For marks I'm giving descending order. For name I'm giving ascending order. We'll see. It's coming or not coming?
Yeah, it's working.
It's working. Who is the 5th rank? Who is the 6th rank now?
Gopal.
Gopal. So basically by default it is taking the order ID, but you are telling I want with respect to name. So one thing you are going to do is the change code will be order by marks in the descending order. Based on the descending order you give me the marks. If two people are in same marks, order by name. Name I will give ascending order. Ascending order means whoever names comes first. Gopal comes first, then comes the Rajiv. So that is what I have achieved here.
Yeah. Okay. And one more thing, Santosh. Like here we are using rank, dense rank, and roll number. So whenever we are using these functions, we will be using over function, right? So what's the exact purpose of that?
See, over function is the purpose of over function is all this rank, dense rank, everything is called window functions. Okay, they will be calling as a window function. If someone they ask you in interview, have you worked on window function? You have to tell yes. Okay, what exactly is a window function is you're working on a set of data. This is a window of data, like based on the marks, I'm giving the rank. So what is the purpose of this over is? What is the purpose of this over is? I am giving a rank or dense rank on which column you are giving. You are giving a rank on what you are giving a rank. That is what over is going to tell. So dense rank or rank over some logic. That is what this over is like. There is no specific meaning, but there's a syntax. Whenever you use a window function like rank, dense rank, everything, it is mandatory that you have you to use over. Over means after over, whatever you write that has to come as a, for that you have to give a rank. Whatever you write within the bracket, for that you have to give a rank. That is what over means.
Okay.
Clear?
Thank you.
Yeah. Now I'm going to take 5 more minutes and I want answer from you. I want answer by tomorrow. Okay. So what is that? I'm going to tell you now.
Santosh, you were saying something yesterday, some application, right, regarding the cross join.
I'm sorry, regarding
The cross join, where is exactly it is used in the application.
yeah,
Yesterday's query.
I gave an assignment, right? Yeah,
Yeah. So
we
what
will
is the
discuss that.
answer?
Yeah, we will discuss that. We'll discuss that. We are into this topic. We'll finish this and we'll come back. Okay. So we'll go here. Okay. I've created one employee salary. Okay. And I've created a inserts. Select star from employee salary. Okay. Now, can anyone help me to write third maximum highest salaried person?
Select
Select
ename,
ename,
comma,
comma,
row number,
row number,
over,
over,
order by bracket in bracket,
order by,
order by cell,
ESAL,
DESC,
DSC.
rows,
Okay.
rank from this is a table name. These are fine.
Okay. Then
Within bracket, these all within bracket. Select star from close,
Under
close up. Yeah.
yes.
Where condition?
okay.
Where
Where
RNK A dot RNK
A dot RNK
equal to
third highest salary.
uh,
What should be my answer? Umesh is first rank, maybe first person. Anish Anand is second. Anish. Answer should be Anish. Answer should be Anish. Correct. Who is the second highest? Anand. Exactly. Your code is correct. Okay, but why you are going for row number?
if in case is there any like this same
Let us say 2% have scored same marks. Are you telling that alphabetic order I will select the first person? I gave a scenario, but always in the code, go for, in the interview, if they ask, go for dense rank. Okay, always go for dense rank. I gave an disadvantage of dense rank, but that is comes like this, all Olympic or maybe IIT exam. But here it's fine. Here you go with dense rank. Use dense rank. Okay, if you go for dense rank, for sure they will expect a one more question. What is the difference between rank and dense rank? You will get that. Then you can answer it. The more you answer, the better chance that you will get clear. Okay, now one assignment for you. We'll see who will do this.
Use the dense rank there rather than row number.
See, both are same, but why I'm using dense rank is, if two people are having same like rank also, same marks also, you will be getting in this way. This use case is very less. The row number use case is very less. It is assigning me but I cannot tell that based on alphabetic order I'm assigning. If the client is asking third maximum salary, if 2% is having third maximum salary, you will select the first one. And what reason you will tell? You will tell, is it because of alphabetic order? Can you convince him? Definitely not. That is the reason I'll go with dense rank. I told the use case, but always go with dense rank. Okay. Now there is one requirement for me. Now what is happening? I will create one more table, students marks table. One difference I can see is here I add ID, name and marks. What I'm having here I'm having ID, name and I'm having which medium they're from, maybe from which class. So I will create this and I will run this. Okay. Now what I will do, I will go and select this table, select star from table. Along with my marks, I am having which class they belong to. There are two classes. One is English medium, one is Kannada medium. Two class, same school. Same school, two class. Try to understand. Same school, two class. Okay. If I want to rank the students based on the school, what I will write? Rank, maybe dense rank. First requirement is very simple. I want to rank based on school. I will write dense rank over order by marks, descending order RNK. Dia has scored 99, but she is in the Kannada medium. She has got first rank. This is with respect to school. Correct. Karthik is there, who has scored 97, the highest marks in the school, but he has scored 97. He comes on the second rank of the school. 90, third rank. 74, fourth rank. Santosh, 50, fifth rank. See, but what is happening? This marks is based on the school. This marks is based on the school. Okay, now what I want in my result, my requirement is this is a rank per school. Agree? This is a rank per school. Okay, what I want now is English medium, whoever has scored Kannada medium, okay, I will get first rank. Kannada medium, I will get, this guy will get second rank, this guy will get third rank, this guy will get fourth rank. Okay, in English medium, this guy will get first rank, this guy will get second rank, this guy will get third rank, this guy will get fourth rank. What basically I've done is what has happened? Can you tell me?
Based upon the medium, we are getting ranks.
Based on the medium, that means in Kannada medium, this guy's got first rank, this guy's got second rank, this guy's got third rank, this guy's got fourth rank. Same thing in English medium, this I got first rank, this I got second rank, this I got third rank, this I got fourth rank. This is not school rank, this is class rank. Now You tell me, if I do with respect to this was my school rank. Okay, try to understand this person. In the school he was second rank. Karthik was in the second rank, but in the class is a first rank. Have you understood the requirement? This was the table which I'm getting here. Maybe how to write a query for this? Very simple. I've already written here. This is what I'm getting the result. This is what I'm getting the result. I need this. Who can help me to write? If you want, I can try it now. If you want, you can take it as an assignment. Tomorrow I need an answer. Definitely they will ask, what if with respect to each and every department? Interview question. Here they asked me third maximum salary, but they will ask you third maximum salary, or this could be or third maximum salary with respect to each and every department. In admin department, what is the third highest rank? In finance department, who is the third highest maximum salaried person? They may ask the same question which I am framing here. They will ask with respect to each and every medium, what is the rank? If I search
Sir,
now,
yes, we can use group by medium.
okay, group by medium. Where you want to write group by?
Order by marks descending comma.
Okay.
Group by medium.
Do you think this is a right place to use group by?
At
Group by
last,
you have to use at the end of query.
Sorry?
Group by at the end of the query.
Function must be the aggregate function.
Yes, group by should use whenever there is aggregate function. Where is the aggregate function here? I don't have minimum, max, count, nothing I have. Where will I go and use? It's wrong. I cannot use group by. You can try. If you tell, I will write a query. Every query is ready. Just I need an answer. What if tomorrow they ask you the same question in interview? What you will do? What you will try? One thing I will give. Where medium equal to English. This medium I'm putting in where condition. Why? Because this is an existing column. That's why it will work. Don't you think I have achieved this? English, Santosh is second rank. We'll see. Yeah, second
Okay,
rank.
then
I
you
have
use
achieved.
the union by, yeah?
Now I'm asking you option. What you can do it. With respect to English, I got it now.
Yeah, then you will
Okay.
get the Canada.
How to write it?
Just select where equal
Same
to Canada, and then you club these two using union.
Okay. Can you tell me the query?
Canada.
Canada.
Union.
Yeah, copy
So
this
Kannada.
one over the
Okay. I'll copy this.
union.
Okay.
In English, then remove that yes, union. Now run the query.
Okay. Okay. Anyone tell this will work or it will not work?
Union all.
Forget about union or union all. Whether it will work or it will not work.
It will work.
Anyone who tells it will not work?
Not work
Why?
because this is one table.
That is fine. Union is combining two tables, no? With only the query part. It doesn't mean that you have to combine only two tables. In the same table also you can combine. That will work. Union will work. Okay. But we'll go and see it. Is it what my expected result?
Yes.
English 1, 2, 3, 4. Kannada 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In Kannada, third rank student is Arjun. In Kannada, third rank student is Arjun. And in English is sorry, in Kannada, who is the third rank? Rajiv. Okay. So now if I want only third rank student, how will I get it?
Medium.
If I want only third rank student, if I want only third rank student with respect to both the classes.
Use this one as a subquery and select star from
Select start from
this particular table where our rank equal to 3.
Will this work?
Yes.
Some error I'm
Confused.
getting. Alaya's name. Okay. Alaya's name. I did not keep Alaya's name. In Kannada medium, Arjun was my third rank student. In English medium, Rajiv was my third rank. This query is correct. This query is correct. Okay. One question I will ask you now. What if in that school you have English medium, Kannada medium? If you have English medium, you have Kannada medium, you have Telugu medium, and you have something like Malayalam, and you have something like Hindi, and you have something like French. Do you think you will go like this each and every time? Are you going to use it?
No.
How many union you are going to write it? This is correct.
Yeah.
You're given me an alternative way. Alternative way. Union is combining two tables. This is one table. This is one table with respect to English. This is one table with respect to Kannada. I'm joining both. Fine. It's union or union doesn't matter. But I have got this one. But what if I have many languages? Are you going to write union each and every time? In fact, you don't even know how many languages are there. Here you know English and Kannada, but you can't keep on seeing this in your data. Okay. So the assignment will be, what is the optimum way of getting this result? I need with respect to each and every medium, you need not write union. Better you can do it. Okay. How well you will do it? This is a expected question in the interview. With respect to class, they will ask rank. With respect to department, they will ask rank. Okay. So I need answer by tomorrow, 7 o'clock. Okay.
Partition on medium.
I'm sorry.
Partitioning on the medium.
Partition. Okay. Maybe you try it and tomorrow we will see if it is correct or not. Is there any
Yeah.
way of doing it? If it is a partition where you will add it, everything we will see tomorrow.
Sir, I'm getting truncated step, sir. Why I'm setting values?
What you're getting?
Yeah, yesterday night I have sent in the WhatsApp, right?
Uh-huh.
I'm creating customer table and inserting values. It will be executed successfully. Then again, I'm going for order table. I have created. While I am inserting values, it was showing truncated table only.
It is still in truncated table.
Yes, sir. No values are inserting.
Okay. Have you connected to your laptop now?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. We will connect. Okay. We'll connect. So that's all for today. Okay. Do you have any questions? What we have seen so far? Just a recap. Just a recap. I have shown you the sales table. This table does not have the additional column. I added it. Why I explained to additional column is rank function, dense rank function is something I'm adding an extra feature. So I just gave an example how additional feature works. So I've explained you, and I added one case condition if you want to write some logic. Then we have seen the time data type, and also we have seen rank, dense rank, and row number. Very, very important. Yesterday also I've told in the joins they will ask you questions. Here also I'm telling there is all interview questions. I'm telling you what they were going to ask. It's even if you write it down also you can prepare for SQL interviews. Okay, so read all this and prepare it. Prepare it. Okay, so that is all for today. So we'll meet again tomorrow at 7 o'clock.
It's Monday, right?
Do we have class
Yeah.
tomorrow?
No, sorry. It's Saturday, right? Yeah, next class is on Monday, 19th.
Just when the SQL will complete?
SQL we will be completing by Tuesday or Wednesday. Another 3 days.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Santosh.
Okay, Santosh. Thank you.
Thank you.